Good morning, everybody. Guess what? I am in Arizona. I made it across the country. Woohoo! Let's see what we look at outside here. Ooh, stopped at my happy place in Arizona. I gotta get down to the VA and to the city today, but oh, it's so beautiful. Pretty soon there's gonna be birds. There's a lot of bluebirds here. Anyway, let's get up and take a look around and get some coffee. Sounds like the coyotes are out in the morning. Well, it stopped. Anyway, this is a small campground. It's free. There's road noise. Not much though in the evenings. Getting knocked down off my tailgate here. The birds are starting to come out. I cheated with Starbucks can of coffee again. I'll have to show you my new cute little gas one stove. But right now I need to get down to the city and take care of some business. But this is it. This is up near Flagstaff. Here's my home. Had to make my bed before I could show you. Can't travel to the city with an unmade bed. There's my coffee. I keep things here. I keep my window up with these little homemade contraptions. Here's an example of the road noise. I don't normally choose this spot. There's like 6 spots here. A little tiny campground, and it's free for now. And I drove in from New Mexico yesterday, and I thought that I could get my favorite spot, which is way back there. You can't see it beyond those. This place has vault toilets. I don't use them. They freak me out. Tall trees. Beautiful birds. It's just good to be back west. Just wanted to drop in and say hello. And more to come, hopefully something better. So, I'll go down and see if I can get my COVID shot at the VA. So, happy Monday. Peace, love, and understanding, everybody. Y'all take care of yourselves out there. Update. I was leaving the Flagstaff area on 87 headed towards Gilbert, Arizona, and my truck started wobbling. So I'm at a repair shop waiting. I might be stuck here for another day. I need the left ball bearings packed on the front end, and a ball joint, and a rocker arm, or control arm, on the driver's side. So I'm here for another day. I was just hanging out, killing time. All was good though. I didn't kill anybody on the freeway or highway. All right, take care, y'all.